my name is Scott Blanchard, and welcome to another episode of The Herd. Today is November 12th. Yesterday, we had a Veterans Day assembly. There was a presentation that included the fight songs of all of the military branches. Riley Brown read the poem, The Flanders Field, and Alexis Moyer gave us information on the Penny Wars. Mr. Messer sang the national anthem beautifully, and we gave our respects to the flag. At the end, we thanked the veterans that attended the assembly. Now, over to Nick with the sports.
I'm Nick Bowers reporting on sports. State cross country was Saturday. Who went was Riley Blay, Coach Mr. Hamilton, Assistant Coach Colton Blay, and Gabe Leland as support. They left Friday at 10 o'clock. The school did a send-off. Riley placed 24 seconds ahead of second place. This is also a personal record. Congratulations, Riley. Now back to the desk.
Congratulations, Riley. Nottoway Hill Elementary celebrated Veterans Day with a reception and donuts for the veterans. Chief Richard Warner spoke at the assembly, and students presented art pieces that thanked the vets for their service. Now, on to Chase with your drama.
Hello, this is Chase Horson, and this is your weekly drama report. On today's weekly drama report, we will be talking about the veteran bulletin boards. A lot of people in Nottoway Holt School feel like they are not given equal time to work on as the other classes were. They also feel like they would have benefited from an advance notice of the bulletin board project. They feel like some of the boards were lackluster at best, and they feel like more time would have given them an opportunity to make something Nottoway Holt and our veterans would have been proud of. Now, back to the desk.
Now to Scott with your public service announcement.
Hello, I am Scott Blanchard, and today I will be showing you how to put your backpack in your locker. So, first step, you have to unpack your said backpack. Second step, you have to put your backpack in said locker and put it on the top hook. After that, simply close your locker. It's that simple. Oh! Could have broken my jaw.
On to Steven with your weekend weather.
Saturday will be partly cloudy with a high of 43 and a low of 31. Sunday will also be partly cloudy with a high of 45 and a low of 35. That concludes the weather, and back to the news desk.
Jingle bells,
Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday.
Silent night, hold me tight.
Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
With the 5 songs of Christmas, you are summoned. Awaken!
Thank you for watching, and tune in next time for another episode of The Herd News.
Couple pokes, I believe it said. There you go, that's good. Hey, thanks for watching. The STEM class is busy working on their Christmas light show project that we do in the middle of December. And we could really use some donations of some Christmas trees for part of a scene that we're developing as part of the show. So if you have any Christmas trees, either incomplete or complete would be nice, but missing pieces or anything like that, and you would be willing to donate them to the STEM class, we would willingly accept those and greatly appreciate any help if anyone has any Christmas trees to donate. Thank you very much.